Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, I'll be making a simple and easy raspberry vinaigrette. We'll begin by making a simple syrup by adding a half a cup of water to a saucepan on medium heat. Add a granulated sugar substitute equal to 1 cup of regular sugar. Stir this until the sweetener is fully dissolved. Remove and let cool. We'll be using 2 cups of raspberries. Fresh or frozen will work just fine. Place the raspberries in a blender. Add our simple syrup, some dry mustard powder, a little salt, and some apple cider vinegar. Blend until everything is fully combined. With the blender running, drizzle in some extra virgin olive oil. Blend for about 15 to 30 seconds after the oil is added. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving. I absolutely love this dressing over a spinach, feta, and walnut salad. Delicious. There you have it, folks. My simple and easy raspberry vinaigrette recipe. A sweet and tart, low-carb option for your next salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.